Good morning, everyone. Hope you're having a wonderful day. We're going to go ahead and get started. This is Computer Science Principles, so code.org Computer Science Principles, Lesson 10, and we're on 8B. This is that basketball stat tracker. So let's take a look at it real quick. We got this app here, and let's see what it says. It says this app is meant to help someone track some of the statistics associated with the game of basketball. Cool. Some of the buttons already have working code inside of them. The other buttons will work very similar. Rather than write repeated code, practice creating a function that you can use, that you can call inside. Okay, so here we go. We are going to see what works. Hit run. Nothing there. All right, 3 point. We're going to say they make it. So it's worth 3 points, 100% field goal right now. And we got our 3 point. All right, so what else works? That works, they make it. So now they have 5 points, but nothing else changes, okay. Nothing, nothing, and nothing again. And those are just designs, yep. All right, let's see what we're doing. All right, we've got that much. Some of the buttons work, we can see. That one was working and one of the others. So it says, read the app to see how it works and make sure to click all the buttons. We did that. We did not look at our code. So we've got all these variables. We've got our 3 point button. Corner 3 point is that corner 3 point. So that's the corner 3 point. That is 3 point button. Okay. So 3 point button's working. Corner 3 point button we can see is not got any code in there. These 4 buttons are for the 2 point. Okay, so there's our 2 points. So this one was working and these others are not. All right, we can see that. And then here's our make shot stuff. Okay. A miss button. Looks like that's all coded. Update points, update field goal percentage, and then declare a function that will allow all the shot buttons to work without repeated code. Okay, declare an additional function that helps reduce repetitive code and replace the code part of your new function with call, which calls those functions in the new. All right, so let's see. Up here, read the code. We did that. Okay, let's see if we can see some repetition. Okay. Oh man, already. Boom. This show element, show element, show element, show element. So, show element. I'm going to take this. I'm going to hit Control C. I just copied it. Okay. I'm going to go down here where they want us to make it. Function. And I think it was called show all. I don't need to start with show all. There we go. Control V. Okay, show all. Got that. Let's go up and start calling it. Show all. That's a hide all. Hide. Oh, we can get rid of that as well. All right, so show all. That's going to be replaced with this. And I'm just going to copy this now that we'll just copy the whole little block. Control C. We're going to delete that though, because I just replaced it with that function. So that stuff is gone. And we're going to do the same here, right? We just created, nope, there's my little cursor, Control V. We got to show all again and delete that. All right, show all. So now it should still be working. I said that one was working. Make, okay, it's still working. So we didn't break anything, it's working. And we got these two functions. We called our function, it's not two functions. We've used our function in 2 places is how I should say that. All right, and then let's see what it wanted us to do next. Read the code under the 3 point and mid-range and decide which lines belong in a function. We just did that. Okay. Add code to make the other 2-point and 3-point buttons work, including calling the function you just declared. And then read the code under. Okay, so let's do that. Let's fix these real quick. So we have these others. This must be a layup down here. Yeah, that's layup. So that's a 2-point. So I can see that the 3-point, if it's a 3-point, it says 3-point shot equals true. All I need is show all. So I'm just going to go through. I still have it highlighted and paste it in there. Show all. This one's got a little block in there. Hopefully that doesn't mess it up. Maybe I ought to, let's just get that out of there. I don't know why that was in there. There we go. Now we know it's not going to be a problem. Just take my cursor down. There we go. I've got all that. Let's run it and see. Run, click. Oh, I haven't done that one. That one works. That works. That works. That works. Okay, so all my 2 points are working. Where's my other 3? Oh, the corner. Well, it's going to be the same as this, right? Because they're both. So I'm just going to copy those. Bring that on down. There we go. Now, if I hit reset run, boom, make, boom. We're going to say miss. Okay, working. And 50%, 1 of 2, yes. Okay, good. We got that. That part's working. Let's see what else it says. Is it, oh, maybe we should look at how that 3-point works. We'll do that in a second. Read the code under the make button and miss button. Make button, miss button. Okay, we're going to look at that. But the way that works is if 3-point shot. So if that is true, it runs this code right here. And that's what allows it to know, hey, that's 3 points, not 2 points, right? All right, so let's see what else we have in here we got to work on though. So we're going to read this code and decide which lines belong in a function. Declare it. So here we go. We are looking at make. The top part is not necessarily the same, right? And the else isn't the same. Some of that is, though, total. So we could kind of take this, but I'm going to say the easy part is right here. And update points. I hate to put a function inside a function because I've got this update points. Let's just take this portion here, this hide elements. I think that's what I'm going to do. Keep it simple, right? And we're going to call that down here. We'll put it there. Show element, hide all. Okay. Oh, look, pulled in. Oh, come on. I said get out of here. Get out of there. All right. Hopefully grabbing those pieces out didn't hurt anything. We'll find out. Control C. Hide all. I said I'm going to get rid of this portion. I want to keep it in order just because the order may matter on how this runs. That wasn't it. Control Z, Control Z. That's a set number. What am I doing? This is what I'm getting rid of. Let's take this, delete, take that. Oop, just grab the whole thing. There we go. Oh, it's called hide. I think it was hide all. Yeah, hide all. And the next one. All right, let's see. Reset, run. Working, yep. Working, yep. Really don't miss, do I? Might be like me playing basketball, no misses. You believe that? You're crazy. All right. Looks like it's working. The last thing they want us to do is look for other opportunities where we could combine. I could go in and see if I could start putting these things together, these functions together, and still keep them working. That'd be a place I could do a little bit of combining. I could make another one. I can see this and this are the same, so I could create something. Oh, nope, that's a 3. That's a 1. So I could create something that might be able to limit some of this stuff, right? Because we can see that some of this is repeated. But, for now, that's good. If you guys want to explore a little bit, try making a couple more or at least one more function, seeing what happens. All right. That's it for today. Hope you have a wonderful day and enjoy.